7 Right, 1994 BMW E38 7 Series. Keys in my hand. Little play buttons there. These. Key in the ignition. Yeah, I have not turned the key. I'll show you again. Key in the ignition. I have not turned the key. Everything's dead. Key does not turn. This is what you do. Auxiliary 1. Code. Type in the code. Auxiliary 2. Ignition. And auxiliary 3 is fire. Now let me show you something. Switch off procedure. Down. Ignition. Code set. Do 4 zeros for an example. And then switch off. And that's your car completely off. Now, if you think someone can steal your car without the keys, it is right, they can steal your car, but that's what the code is for. Now, if I go to ignition, it's going to require my code, but the car will not fire. So, enter code. 4 zeros as an example. Yeah. And then fires up. You get me, bloods? You get me, fam?